I'm your order.
What is this?
What happened, Muskan?
No, nothing. You do your work. You can't work properly? I told you to bring half plate momos. You can't sit two people here. Go and bring full plate.
Okay, ma'am, I'll get it now. Muskan, I wanna take a call. I'll be right there, okay? Is this enough or you want more?
Hey, you two penny waiter. What do you think of yourself? Let my boyfriend come. I will tell him about all your cheap tricks.
If you wanted to say, then you would have told it earlier. Look, let's just not waste the time. You say you wanna come with me or not?
First of all, from top to bottom, at least look at me. How high class I am. And with you, I won't go in 1 or 1.5 lakhs.
Let's do one thing. You take this 50,000 rupees. Now it's 2 lakh.
By the way, you're just an ordinary waiter. How you got so much money?
I'm a waiter for my family and the people out there. My main business is something else. And in your case, I had my eyes on you from a long time. And I was just saving for you. And now it's done. So I came to you with money.
Okay, fine. Before my boyfriend will come, I will take this money. And yes, write my number. Send me location, I will be there.
Number, please.
605?
Okay. So let's just meet on my place. Oh, it's you. Can I say something? It was my dream to spend a night with you. And now we are together.
Now will you say these dialogues? Or for the purpose you gave me money, you will do that?
Yeah, sure. Let's head in. Tell me one thing. What would happen if your boyfriend had a doubt on me in the restaurant?
Hey, he's just a villager. He's happy in that I'm his girlfriend. By the way, he won't doubt at me. And now you have spoiled my mood taking his name.
Not only your mood, I'll destroy your whole life.
Sanju, you? What are you doing here? And Sina, this boy tricked me and brought me here, and he was forcing me.
Is it? I am from village, but I'm not so stupid that I would not understand your betrayal. And you thought that you were very much intelligent, and now you fell into my trap.
Trap? What kind of trap?
He's not a waiter, he's my friend. And according to my plan, he did this. And the money which he gave you, that was also mine, and this house is also mine.
You will do so cheap thing? I haven't thought this.
Disgusting. With an unknown man, you came to his house, came inside his bedroom. Is this not a disgusting thing? And I had a doubt on you since a long time. And also, Sagar saw you with someone else. That is why I did all this.
I'm sorry. It won't happen again.
It will happen if I let you to do it. From now on, there is nothing between us. Never ever show me your face.
At least listen to me once.
What should I listen? Before I get angry and take a wrong step, get out of here.